Hi guys, I'm Yao. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to installing a dash cam on my Audi A4 B9. And before that, this dash cam is manufactured by Bosch, designed by ATE. If you saw my video like a couple years ago, I installed a passenger display, and that's also designed by ATE and manufactured by Bosch. If you don't know what that is, I will put a link right now in the corner, and you can watch that video. And right now, let me take you have a look at the dash cam we are going to installing today. So I'm not sure what the tools we need, but I believe a pick is necessary to remove those harness, and the removal is for the trims. I believe this tool should be enough. And this is the box will be come with. As you can see here, it's ATE. And let me open the box, and the instructions. As you can see, Bosch and ATE. And this is the dash cam itself. Let me get it out. So, as you can see, this is the camera, and this is the Bosch logo, and this is the power button, and this is the mic, and this SD card is already come with one. It is 16 gigabytes. The minimum one is 16 gigabytes. You also can put the maximum one is the 128 gigabytes. I'm going to change this one to the 128, and this is the back, as you can see. And also the another thing is the harness. This only have one harness you need to install. This white side is going to here, and this is a splitter to change to there. That's the place we are going to install. So right now let's restart the work. So right now, as you can see, all of these three trims are out. First, you have to remove this trim, and the trim was located at here, and you just use a pick or trim removal, whatever you want to use, and to pull it out gently. There is no screw or anything else, just 2 clicks. Then you can remove this bigger piece. As you can see, this bigger piece was located at here. I was just use the pick to pull it out at here on this side, and the same on this side, and then pull it out at the same time, and then it will be out. After that, you can remove this middle piece. As you can see, it's here. It was at here. You just slide it out at this center with a little bit angle, and then it will be slided out. As you can see here, I already removed the rear mirror, and these 2 plugs is out. One is for the rear mirror, and this one is for the sensor here. It was really difficult to remove it out if you don't remove this rear mirror, and actually it's easy to remove it out. I just found it. Basically, you have to unplug this one. This is the plug. The bigger plug is for the rear mirror. I'm not sure you can see on camera. Here as a plug, it was located like this, and there is a pick here. You just use the pick, hold it, and then pull it out by another hand, and this will be out. After this big plug is out, and then you can just pull this rear mirror out, just like this, slightly, gently, and then this will be out. After this is out, and then you can remove this sensor easily, and also by using a pick. You just hold the click, and then use another hand to pull this out. So right now, as you can see, everything is back. It really took me some time to put everything back. For the extra wires, here has enough space inside to put them. I don't suggest you to use a zip tie to tie this up, because I tried to use it, and then you don't have much movement on that harness. So I cut that zip tie out, and then just leave them here. I think it will be still good. That will be much easier to put it back, because the harness have a little bit movement to move them around. And I don't suggest you to put all back at the same time. Be really sure to put this bigger piece and this center piece them together at once, and then you can put this one back. And for extra harness here, be sure you line them at this place, otherwise you will block the clips for this piece. Right now, I'm going to show you how to connect the dash cam to your mobile phone. This is how you connect to your mobile phone, and how to use the app. By the way, this is the passenger display that I talked about at the beginning of this video. They are designed by the same company and manufactured by Bosch. And let me take you have a quick look. This is the generation 1, and right now they already have the generation 2, which they have one more display with 3 circles and showing the RPM, those things. You can also customize the startup display with the generation 2. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you some clips from this dashcam during the day and the night. So this is the end of the installation for this dashcam. This will be help me to get additional camera on the track, that I can have multiple views from the track as well. So let's see how it goes. How do you guys like it? Please let me know in the comments below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.